Now let's everyone take a moment, calm down, and have a rational discussion on Bitcoin. Welcome to another video. If you have any questions about Bitcoin, leave a comment. If you want more videos, check out the rest of the channel and subscribe. So I thought this was the perfect timing for my Bitcoin video, just to sort of clear up what we know about Bitcoin so far and what questions we still have. I'm not for or against Bitcoin, so take it for what it is. I do own Bitcoin, so keep that in mind. Now, cryptocurrencies, or Bitcoin, let's just stick to Bitcoin for now, is the first new form of currency for centuries, hundreds of years. We had gold, now we have paper money or fiat currencies, now we have cryptocurrencies. It might not be the next type of currency we use, but it is revolutionary nonetheless. So it's based on the blockchain. I think we understand the blockchain itself. It's revolutionary, it's a great technology, and I have no doubt that in the future it will be a big part of our society and finance in general. So the blockchain is brilliant, and Bitcoin is the first commercial hit from the blockchain, let's call it that. So this is the first big thing coming from the blockchain, and it is in most senses an improvement over normal money as we know it today. As an investment, it has been and will most likely be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make money as an investor, or a speculator in this case. I haven't researched any statistics, but I'm pretty sure Bitcoin has been the best investment in history, and who knows what's going to happen in the future. So do sit down, learn what you can about cryptocurrencies, the blockchain and Bitcoin specifically, and then make a rational, educated decision on whether you want to buy them or not. I would say, in my opinion, this is a 10% chance of a 100-fold return, which is a chance worth taking. So if you don't buy a lot, maybe buy a little bit, see what happens, you decide. But at least sit down and learn about it to make sure that you're not passing on an opportunity just because you didn't really look into it. But there's a lot of questions going forward, not just about Bitcoin, this is about cryptocurrencies in general. Competition, what cryptocurrency is going to win in the end? Bitcoin is the first big hit, but we don't know if another cryptocurrency is going to come in and beat the shit out of Bitcoin and become the next big thing. I have no clue, nor does anyone else. There hasn't been any form of regulation or government ruling on cryptocurrencies, either as an asset or a currency. And once governments are forced to make regulations, I do think we're going to run into some problems, some conflicts of interest, and I think some problems will come to the surface and we'll have a little bit of an issue going forward. Now it might work out. People are generally positive to this change and to blockchain in general, but whether it will be Bitcoin or something else from the big banks and the governments, who knows, but there might be some issues at this point. And as of now, people are not sure, and we don't really know what Bitcoin should be viewed as. Is it an asset, so something you buy and it generally sort of slowly increases in value, like a house or a painting or an old bottle of wine? Is it simply a store of value, like gold or normal currencies? You know, if you live in the US, you can hold some money in euros and yen, sort of just as a hedge. So is it just a way of storing cash instead of actually having it in cash to avoid, the inflation? Or is it actually going to be a currency, something you can exchange for goods and services? I definitely think it's going to be a mix, and if it does end up being a currency, so one day Amazon or Alibaba decides to start accepting Bitcoin in exchange for goods and services, it's going to be massive. It's going to be it's going to be an explosion. I don't know what's going to happen, and I'm very excited to see what will happen. So that's my take on Bitcoin. Please let me know if you own Bitcoin, how long you've owned them, or what do you think going into the future. Are there any other cryptocurrencies you're looking into? Or is there anything about cryptocurrencies or the blockchains that I missed? And yeah, as always, check out investingforall.net. I've written a little piece on Bitcoin there. And till next video.